we will be the पीछे के वो.
Do you like it? Jerry, I love it. Does it look like girls like to swing, or does it look like a dog that wants to pee? This is why I typically don't end up getting extensions done.
Otherwise, I'm screwed.
Good morning.
आ गया है वो वक्त जहाँ पे मेरी थोड़ी सी फट रही है.
सुनो, आपके यहाँ किसी की भी शादी हो रही है, प्लीज कॉल अनम. यस, ब्राइड
नाचने वाली जैसे साउंड कर रही है. Hello, welcome to a new vlog. This vlog is one that I'm particularly excited for you to see. I'm very excited because Mridul is a very close friend of mine. If you watch content in the Indian YouTubers space and you've not come across Mridul, then what rock are you living under? Please tell me, I'd like to smash it. Because she's a fantastic content creator and a very dear friend, and I'm so grateful we got to meet through this space and this platform. We have been close friends for we actually don't post as much about our friendship on social media, so I don't know whether people realize how close we are or not, but I think we've been close for we became friends and I want to say 2019 or 18, I'm losing track, and I'm so happy for her and Aditya, who are getting married literally in the next 5 days. I have been vlogging my prep and pack process as we leave for the wedding. It is a destination wedding that is happening in Rishikesh, and I'm leaving tomorrow. Literally at this time I'm going to be in Rishikesh. I'm flying in 2 days before the proper wedding festivities kick in, and I'm taking you through the process of prepping and packing for this trip along with me. I'm basically obviously filming this on the last day, so I already know everything you're going to see in this video, and I cannot wait to see what you think about it. You know, I'm always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to all your comments, so make sure you keep the love towards Mridul and Adi coming both on their channels as well as on this video down below in the comments. With that said, let's just dive right into it. Is it possible for an Anam glow up video or a prep and pack video to start with anything apart from nails? Yep. We are going to go get my nails done first things first. I hadn't had any nails during, I think, about half of Ramzan, so we're gonna go and actually do extensions this time. I usually don't do extensions, maybe once in a year and a half, but since I've completely chopped my nails down, we are definitely gonna have to do extensions today. Let's head to Paint Box.
Show me your nails.
You're staring at my nails.
Interesting.
You know, the last time, it's the same nails on both hands.
I would like to see both hands.
I'm holding the camera with the other hand. Do you know the last time I got these nails done?
No.
When we got married.
Yeah?
Yeah.
These are the marriage nails?
Yeah, but those were different shape and these are
Very
different
nice.
shape.
It seems like you just dipped your finger in glitter
Yes, it is supposed to look like that.
and then dip them fully.
Correct. Good job. Pat. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do in this prep and pack journey is actually something that is bride approved. Mridul recommended Victress to me, and so I'm here at the Andheri salon. We are going to be doing my lashes today. I have the lovely Janisha. Come join me. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
She is going to be doing my lashes today, and it's been a while since I did lash extensions. I love what you did on Mridul's eyes.
Thank you so
So
much.
I'm really looking forward to getting this done. I feel like with like lashes and in general, it just makes you look so well groomed all the time throughout, no matter what.
Yes,
So-
and it just enhances your faces more.
मुझे मेकअप निकालना पड़ेगा ना, मैं शूट से आई हूँ. I'll have to take. I was wearing lashes also.
I'll give you the remote, then you
हाँ.
remove it, and then
I'll take
clean
everything
up.
off then,
Yeah.
because otherwise I look adha and I have to go for dinner after. I'm gonna look weird today, guys. So may as well take. No, it's okay. I'll be makeupless. I'm very comfortable makeupless. Yeah, because I realized that you'll need me to. Okay, let's do the before shot.
before shots also we can
Before, without makeup.
yeah,
Good,
that
good
would be
idea.
good.
Yeah, because I do have some mascara on my
Yeah.
eyes right now.
You want like natural one or more dramatic one?
I don't want very dramatic, but I would like between
like light one.
voluminous,
Yeah.
but not drama. You have any picture references
Yeah,
we
I'll
can
show
look
you.
at? Let's give you a before shot in the meanwhile. Okay, I've hit recording without seeing the screen, and I'm about to see my extensions for the first time with you on camera. Oh, wait, I have like, it looks like I have like lashes. According to Janisha, I have good volume naturally, but I don't have length. I have very short lashes.
length.
So you said that this style is called
It is a cat eye look with a volume cat eye.
volume cat eye. Let me quickly give you some looking down shots as well. मुझे ऐसे आईने में जाके थोड़ा सा देखना है और पास से बराबर से, okay? Ooh, see, now I'm getting a better idea. This is nice. Okay, so it looks cat eye, it looks voluminous, but it's not looking OTT, so I like that. Thank you. Hi guys, it is the next morning. I could not get into details with you last evening because I was in a rush to head elsewhere. But the lash extensions look so nice. I think that Janisha's hand was so good and detailed. She mentioned to me that I have really thick lashes but very short lashes. She said the average lash length for people is about 11, and when she said 11, I assume it's 11 mm, unless there is a unit metric lesser than that. I'm not quite sure, but let's go with her saying that the average is 11. Mine is 9. And so what she's done is she's given me starting from 9 on the inward, keeping it natural, going all the way to around 11, 12 on the outside, which is literally the way my go-to lashes when I wear are the Soha lashes from Verified. The only reason I'm opting out of lashes and into this for this particular wedding and this particular trip, because you know I don't do extensions normally, is because I do feel like when you're doing like breakfasts and when you're like between things and when you don't have makeup, the lashes are still on, the extensions are still on. For occasions it makes sense, otherwise I'm a total lash like strip lash girl. But I like how, like, for example, it just makes me look well groomed. So if you could tell me that this would stay like this forever without the effort of sitting in the chair for 2 hours, then I would probably just say, hey, if this is permanent, keep it there, I'm good, I'll do away with any kind of lashes wearing kind of a situation. But because I know that these are going to start falling in the next 10 days and they're going to start falling unevenly, that's the point that really irks me and bothers me. So let's see how these hold up. You'll see it in the vlogs as we go along, unrelated to this particular prep and pack video. But this is basically what they look like. Their lashes start at about 4,500 rupees ish plus taxes, and then depending on what you opt for, they will go ahead and charge you accordingly. I did not pay for these, so disclosure over there, they did host me, and that was really nice of them. They had actually been in conversations with my team for a few months and I wasn't aware because like it didn't really go further at that point of time, but when Mridul mentioned them to me, I immediately said yes, and I thought that it was perfect for an occasion. So yeah, just gonna put it out there. If you're looking for an occasion to perpetually look well groomed at, extensions are then a great recommendation. Otherwise, I will stick to my strip lashes. Curious to see how these hold up. They said that their work typically holds up for about 20 days, which is quite impressive. So I hope it does. We'll find out in the vlogs. Okay, this is bothering me about the lashes, and this is why I typically don't end up getting extensions done. And I asked them actually not to go all the way down, not to put all the lashes all the way out, because you see what's happening here, it's going downward. This starts happening on this eye, it's still okay, on this eye it's gone so down. Also see this, the loss of lashes has already started a little bit from here. So when my eyes are open, you can see gap here and not here, and that is really annoying the OCD side of me. It is like not feeling nice. The Rare Beauty lip tint has not lasted well on my lips. Anyways, focusing on the lashes, I feel like I'm gonna put some oil or just pull this one out because I'm Not happy with the little droopy effect it's giving. These are things that I will probably notice because I'm in the industry and I understand eyelash placement when it comes to like false lashes. But this one over here, which is going towards gravity, is really, really annoying me. And the gap is really annoying me. Like I can see this side more full and I can see this side with gapping. And that's I'm not loving it. I'm not loving that. In general, दूर से does it look great? Yeah, sure. But पास आओ, और हमारा काम तो पास आने से है. कुछ photos, videos ऐसे ही होते हैं. ये gapping काफ़ी अजीब लग रहा है यार. कैसे fix कर सकते हैं? I don't know. Hi, good morning. It is literally about 8:30 in the morning, 8:25 in the morning on the 20th of April, which means I got my lash extensions done about 3 days ago. You know, I'm always giving you the real reviews and things, and whether it's sponsored or it's a collab or whatever hosted, I'm always giving you the honest reviews. This I'm super disappointed with. I don't know if the camera is picking on it. First of all, clearly, obviously, had to struggle a little bit with taking my makeup off because I wanted to make sure I don't go anywhere near the lashes. So if you're seeing any extra brown dark circle like thing around my eyes, that's what it is. Let's just firstly address that. Then if you can see, and I hope the camera, it looks like the camera, I'm vlogging on my phone right now. I hope it's picking up on it properly. This side invariably looks thicker and this side looks a lot more sparse. Let me give you a lift shot. See this versus see this. This looks so much thicker. On this side, literally I woke up with a bunch of like these extension lashes on my face. So many. The fact that this is only happening after 3 days is really disappointing to me, because like when you spend 2.5 hours and then of course a whole lot of money, I didn't spend money, mine was a hosted experience, you obviously do feel a little bit disappointed that oh my god, like this effort, and then if you spent money then even the money. But for me it was the time and effort that was just doesn't seem worth it. I feel so upset. I did have my team give them feedback, by the way. I sent the video of how my lashes were looking to Mridul and she was like, forward it to them. So my manager did forward it to them and they said they would invite me back in to fill it up. But unfortunately, I have zero time before I, leave for Mridul's wedding, where I absolutely cannot go and fill it up. And they're in Andheri, so like there's literally logistically it is impossible. I am gonna have to fix this with two options. One is I had ordered the Kiss self-adhesive individualish lashes, little clusters that you put here inside. I'm gonna try and use that for the wedding because naturally I don't want my beauty shots, because I am going to glam so much and I am going to obviously create so much content. I don't want my beauty shots to look like this. It's bothering me so much that they look uneven, that they look out of proportion, that one looks thicker than this. So I'm going to try and fix it with that is one option. The other option, if things don't fly, is I'm just going to put a lot of oil on it, pull them all out myself. I've done it before to one other bad experience I had with false lashes many years ago from... I can't remember from which salon, a few years ago. I think it was Tips and Toes at Pali Hill at the time. I can't remember. Anyway, the second option is for me to just use the strip lashes and make it work. So that's that. Yeah, feeling kind of sad. I was really looking forward to these lasting well for at least 10 days. 17th to 27th, even if they had lasted, it would have covered the wedding functions. So this is me giving you my review.
I like this, yeah. It fits very well and it's perfect for the mehndi.
It's nice.
Yeah, and it's very me. Like, if anything's me, it's a kaftan.
I like that.
You like that?
Yeah, it's a wrestling belt. You're a world heavyweight champion.
I like this a lot. Like, I feel like it's very me. The length is perfect. It's not too heavy. It's nice and light. I'll style it up with jewelry. Like I feel like if I put my hair in a pony for this, because it's going to be lots of mehndi, nice big earrings, nothing in the neck because this is here, I'm sorted. Me likey. 3 out of 4 looks are in place. This next one that I'm about to try is really the one I really hope fits me, because otherwise I'm screwed. There's no time to make another outfit from scratch. Okay, I freaking love this outfit. What did you just say?
Oh, hello there.
Yeah, but my stomach looks like it's about to burst because it's so tight.
Covered, covered, no?
I will cover is one thing, but I won't be comfortable. I can't sit. Like, no, it'll tear, it'll rip if I try to sit on this.
exact.
This is so beautiful. It is so stunning. What if we check if there's a little margin to open it up somewhere? It is stunning. Let me call Ola. Wait. I'm gonna call the designer and ask her if there is room to open it up.
It's like perfect.
It's beautiful. I love this piece, Ola. Like the sari. I've taken this, like I cannot even begin to tell you how much I love it. It's this pearl gold. The one on the mannequin. Okay, the one on the mannequin. My thing. It's onion pink. It is a ready sari. Stitch sari. Yeah. It's a ready sari. But I have one small problem. It's fitting me just right. कि मैं बैठ नहीं सकूंगी. I don't know how to tell अगर इसमें margin होता है कि नहीं होता है. Wait, can I video call you? Are you home? One sec. Give me a second. I'm video calling you right now. One sec. Hi. Listen, I love it. There's a little bit of this, but वो छुप जाएगा. हाँ, that I'll do. थोड़ा नीचे करना जेरी. सिर्फ ये इतना एकदम फिट है कि मैं बैठने जाऊंगी ना तो मैं बैठ नहीं सकूंगी. नहीं, मैं बैठ ही नहीं सकूंगी. जाएगा ही नहीं. Because I'm big here. This is my big region. You tell me, I'll have it sent right away. I'm sending you the address. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये कव्वाली सिंगिंग.
गाइस सारे ब्यूटी वाले मिलके मुझे परेशान कर रहे हैं गाइस. इधर रखिए. ये कौन अच्छी ऑफर
4 का.
Yes, I am with you.
No, it's not happening. So we join you in the second song.
Yes.
Like that. कुछ बिगड़ सा
Hi.
पूरा खत्म करने के बाद you want to eliminate.
You are not eliminating anything. You are not eliminating anything.
हम
सब नाच रहे हैं.
करेंगे.
इसका
क्या है ये हेली आगे ऐसा वैसा कुछ बैक 2 3 4 how to do very fast. First she said there was a long beat. नहीं बोला था. That's why it was the turn and the first tudum was the turn. Okay. Not first tudum was position.
Okay. एक बार गाना प्ले.
Whatever you say. गाने पे करेंगे. गाने के साथ वो फ्लो में आ ही जाएगा. ठीक है. चलो. For that you need rhythm, Anna. We don't have it. Ashi, you are a good dancer. Please don't.
पता अगर मृदुल होती मेरे साथ तो वो बहुत खुश होती क्योंकि she is also little non dancer like.
डांस में. वाओ. हमने पिछले बार कुछ किया था तो हम भूल चुके हैं.
नहीं मुझे.
गाइस मेरी बात सुनो. आपके यहाँ किसी की भी शादी हो रही है प्लीज कॉल अनम. यस ब्राइड.
नाचने वाली जैसे साउंड कर रही है.
मैंने आगे बोला अभी
Yes,
she
guys.
dances too well.
Yes guys, for any dance inquiries please contact.
Too much pressure from me.
Guys, Anam will be the main dancer. We will be the पीछे के वो एकदम अलग कपड़ों में डांस कर रहे थे. I'm gonna be back dancer.
No pressure. These guys are all just gassing me up, and I'm gonna
No.
go on stage and forget everything. So
पिज्जा नहीं मंगवाया है इसीलिए.
We need a vote. Does this look like girls like to swing or does it look like a dog that wants to pee?
Right, okay, right.
5, 6, 7, 8. ये देखो. नहीं guys.
Guys, please एक बार सब.
Left,
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see, when you do this, what she's doing, it looks nice. What you all just did. नहीं, पहले ऐसे कर रहे थे तुम लोग. अब जो इसने ऐसे किया अच्छा लग रहा है.
I was always doing this play like how we pose.
But अगर किसी का लहंगा या स्कर्ट होगा तो मेरा तो स्लिट है. नहीं दिखी.
तेरे पैर निकल के आएंगे कुछ नहीं. One of the toughest parts of prepping and packing for Mridul's wedding is getting this guy's looks in place. He has his own ideas in his head. I have my own ideas in my head. There are dress codes to follow for each and every function. There are 4 functions, and we were supposed to go shopping today, and he doesn't look like he's actually interested in shopping. So I said, let me try and figure if there are ways to source, or I'll go shop them, or we'll order them online. No. Kissing me and silencing me is not the way to go around this. You need to help me. Okay, wow. Like, wow. Look here. Oh my god. I love face here. I love it. Do you like it? Jerry, I love it.
Fits like as if it's been tailored.
Henna? I love. Okay, chalo. This is nice, no? The sleeves are a little bit big, but I'll fold them up for you, Pathani style. I love that. My husband in a Pathani. Hi. Looking like a wow. Really, truly looking like a wow. I love. This is obviously not the look. We're just doing it for the size check. But it fits, na? Perfect hai. Huh. So basically, let's just go ahead and either...
I'll pair this with a western look.
Okay.
I'll wear a white shirt and
Chinos or whatever.
yeah, blue slacks.
Okay, cool. Works.
This would be for
I would want you to do this color for the Fairas because I'm doing this color for the Fairas. Awesome. So it's a kaftan, right? And it's got work here. So the choker will skip. Big earrings, ideally Indian because it's for the mehndi. Okay. This is the look we're starting on. Blue na. I don't even mind going in this green jhumka zone. Because it'll complement the blue very well, and I don't want anything in the neck. Oh, this is beautiful.
So this will go very well.
Very nice. Should I try this? Heavy. Too much. No, not too much. It's for the mehndi na. It's beautiful and gale mein kuch nahi hoga to kuch to chahiye.
Earrings.
Yeah, it's looking a little bit big and it's heavy. But it's beautiful. Look at this. It's light also. यानी कान को लगेगा नहीं. I won't have to tape it and all.
Yeah, way better.
मैं और देखूंगी ना तो मैं और कंफ्यूज हो जाऊंगी. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ पसंद आ गया तो लॉक कर देना चाहिए.
Try this now. It's also very pretty.
Okay, so let's lock this one. Also, Mridul's your jewelry is ready and kept aside, na?
No, ma'am. So she said she will be coming on
I'm-
20th.
So I'm taking it now today.
Okay, is it? So I'll have to remove all the jewelry.
हाँ निकाल के मुझे मृदुल का दे दो. I'll take it with me.
She said she'll be sending all the pictures, whoever is coming for the pickup.
I'm coming for the pickup.
Okay.
This is me here for the pickup, for my pickup and her pickup. मेरा काम मृदुल का काम साथ में हो रहा है. Mridul, I'm here at Azotique. Send me pictures of all the jewelry that you this, so I'll take it with me. Huh? Bye.
So
Set will be better, no?
इसके लिए भी सिर्फ earrings. बहुत
earrings?
है. The blouse is heavy. The
But
sari is
reception.
there. No, I'm okay. If it's a choker, I don't
Like,
mind
you know,
it. This is gorgeous. I love it for my Fairas look. I think at the wedding only I'll decide ki whether I should wear the niche wala or not. Love this. I don't even need to try it, but let's try it. Yeah,
should I do it?
this is beautiful. It's okay. So I feel earrings with this can be small studs because too big will not look nice. Now let this. वो rose gold finish. So चारों हो गए, right?
Yeah.
The haldi orange is done. The
Yellow.
mehndi blue is done. The Fairas onion pink is done. The outfit from scratch yellow is done. Now I just want to take bangles for the Fairas. That's all. It's time. It's time. Clearly, my idea of a Fab Friday night these days is to get prepping for this wedding. Almost everything is pretty much in place except for now, actually, the packing part. Yeah, which also includes this stuff that we have going on over here. I love my verified brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a discount code for you on the screen right now. So if you want to go ahead and try the verified brushes, now might be a good time. Now I know this may seem like a mundane task to most, because it is. It really truly is. I absolutely procrastinate on this as much as I can, which is also why I have so many different brushes. Even before I had a brand of my own, I would always land up buying so many different brushes, and every time I got them in PR from anywhere, I would really hold on to them. I have done a better job over the years of washing them. I do try and now wash my brushes once a month. But there was a point when I would wash them once a week. And the goal really truly is to get back into doing a wash for my brushes at least once a week. And also when I say once a month, I don't mean like my brushes are like gross or anything because I have so many, I'm shuffling between them. I've gone ahead and taken some Dettol today. Sometimes I take General shampoo cleanser. Today I've taken a little bit of Dettol, diluted it on my hand, and I'm just gently taking my brushes and doing this. Sometimes I do a little round motion, but this brush, which is fantastic for foundations by the way, doesn't really require the round motion. And then I'm going to like just wash it off. I can see the stains by the way, and I don't mean to make the sound like a verified plug, I swear, but our brushes are very easy to clean. With some of the other brushes that I've used over the years, because obviously for so many years I've used other brand brushes, washing them can be really painful. And they stain very easily. Obviously colors like pink and colors like red are a little bit tougher to take off because of the formulation side of things, and I won't bore you with the technical stuff right now. But our brushes are very easy to clean. Like they would dry out very easily, they are very light. Oh god, this is sounding like an ad. I don't mean for it to, I swear. But they dry out just damn easily, they wash off damn easily, they are very low effort when it comes to all of this stuff, and that's just something I really appreciate about the way we've managed to build these products. So here I am on a Friday night doing the fun task of washing these brushes off. Literally while speaking to you, I got 2 eyeshadow brushes out of the way, and now I'm just gonna leave them on a napkin to go ahead and स्टे एंड ये कल सुबह तक सूख भी जाएंगे. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसे लगता था, स्पेशली दूसरे ब्रशेस के साथ, कभी कभी मैं जाके हेयर ड्रायर लेके ब्लास्ट ड्राई कर लेती थी, बट जब से आई स्विच टू दीज मुझे जेन्युइनली जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है. सो या, अनदर बिग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ प्रेपिंग फॉर दिस वेडिंग, आई वांट टू पैक एज मेनी ब्रशेस एज पॉसिबल बिकॉज I don't want to like if I'm doing different colored eyeshadows or whatever, because I really want to try and bring the glam in there with the looks. Then I want to make sure that I have enough options with my brushes too. A little makeup tip for you, completely out of context, because here I am washing brushes and suddenly giving you a makeup tip. One of the best tips I learned from, I wish I could remember who, because it was some pro artist many years ago, was that if you are trying to get a colored makeup look or a good eyeshadow look and you're wondering why it just looks like one big panda eye or whatever, switch up your brushes. When you're going from a lighter to a darker shade, don't just change the shade, change the brush. You have to change between brushes for the pigments to really come through the way you would like for them to come through. That is an absolute non-negotiable, and you will come back and thank me over this, I promise. I don't know by the time this video goes up am I announcing my makeup workshop or not, but stay tuned for that, I guess, at some point. Literally बात करते करते ही मैंने 4-5 कर दी है. अब मैं आपको टाइम लैप्स पे डाल दूंगी और फटाफट कोई YouTube वीडियो देखते देखते या कोई पॉडकास्ट सुनते सुनते बाकी के कर दूंगी. Oh, additional tip, when you're drying your brushes, don't keep your brushes like this to dry them out. वो जो हल्का सा भी अगर पानी बच गया, it will go into the glue where it is somewhere around here in the ferrule, and eventually it'll loosen up the hair. Try and keep your brushes like this, or keep them like this while drying. Avoid anything where you feel like the water can seep into the brush. It's just something to help with longevity.
Good morning. Where are we going?
We are going to Mridul's house for the doll party. I'm super excited.
And it's a surprise for her.
Yeah, this was Mansi's bright idea.
Yeah.
Mridul is leaving tonight for Rishikesh, and I'm leaving tomorrow. The girls are leaving in 2 days. I think सब एक एक करके निकल रहे हैं ना. So we decided to
go and do this whole thing
Yes.
where we'll just make her house feel a little bit more like
Shadi wala ghar. Yes.
I'm so excited to see what her reaction will be. Like,
Yes, same.
Yeah.
वैसे जिम से आई होगी like oh my god ये सब कहाँ से आ गए? And it's also Sunday morning तो हमें थोड़ा ट्रैफिक वगैरह भी कम मिल रहा है.
thank God.
Yes, थोड़ा ढोल पे नाचेंगे, खाएंगे, पिएंगे, जलसा करेंगे.
आंटी के हाथ की चाय बहुत अच्छी है.
And हमने ऑलरेडी डिसाइड कर लिया अगर आंटी चाय ऑफर करेंगी तो मैं तो हाँ बोलने वाली हूँ.
Oh my god, I have to call Jerry and make him jealous. Jerry. Yes, that's Evie. She's so cute. She's gonna smell cat of me.
हाँ but हमको चलता है.
अच्छा, इसको गर्मी नहीं होगी? Look at this. Surprise, not so surprise. It's written right here. Feel. Hi, uncle. Chappal. Hi, auntie. Hi. She's sleeping. No, let the dhol wala come first, uncle. गाइस इस होलसम से मॉर्निंग के बाद अब आ गया है वो वक्त जहाँ पे मेरी थोड़ी सी फट रही है because I haven't really properly started packing yet. I've thrown a whole lot of things into the suitcase, but steam ironing them is left, packing things is left. I'll tell you what all needs to be packed, okay? I'm flying in 2 days before the wedding, so regular clothes, the wedding function clothes, my medicines, my makeup, my hair tools, lingerie, underwear. जरी की तो पैकिंग हो चुकी है. मैं जब सुबह में गई थी मृदुल के घर उतने में जरी की पैकिंग हो चुकी है. आई यूजुअली हैव हेल्प विथ दिस, सो आई एम फीलिंग अ लिटिल बिट ओवरवेल्म्ड कि मेरे पास कोई हेल्प नहीं है, बट जेरी हैज़ वॉलंटियर्ड टू हेल्प, सो गॉड ब्लेस हिम. हमारी कल सुबह की फ्लाइट सुबह के 8 बजे की है, विच मीन्स वी नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ द हाउस बाय अराउंड 6. Realistically 8:55 flight, 6:30 we should be fine if we get out of the house. I also have to go this evening for dinner to my parents because while Jerry and I are leaving for Rishikesh for Mridul's wedding tomorrow morning, my parents are leaving for Umrah, which I'm so excited for them about. Umrah is obviously such a huge deal. They've been before. In fact, my parents are both Hajis. They've both done Hajj, but they're going for Umrah. And the family is getting together for dinner tonight and to say Khuda Hafiz to them. I'm obviously not going to be able to go to the airport to drop them because I'm going to need to come back home and sleep super early to wake up in the morning to leave. But I cannot do anything. I have to finish all my packing before I leave to go to their house, which basically means so I have a lot of packing to do. I don't think I'm going to talk through much of this. I think I should just time lapse it, put on some music, something loud and fast, and just make it happen. My heels. I didn't count my heels. My footwear is also pending to be put aside. And jewelry. See, I have a list. You know what? I've been procrastinating. I should stop procrastinating and I should just Q2, rock music and time lapse. suddenly feeling a lot better, and it is literally only 25 minutes later. So this is a very satisfying feeling. I'll tell you where I am right now. मैंने शादी के सारे कपड़े अंदर डाल दिए हैं, मैंने अपनी ज्वेलरी डाल दी है, ट्राइपॉड डाल दिया है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एक दो डाले हैं बट काफ़ी बाकी है. हियर आई हैव ए ह्यूज हीप ऑफ क्लोथ्स जो मैं नहीं ले जा रही हूँ. यहाँ पे 2 टी-शर्ट्स है जो शायद मैं एयरपोर्ट के लिए पहन के जाऊँ, उनके बॉटम्स मुझे मेरे कबर्ड से निकालने हैं. अब जो बाकी है ना, मैंने उसका फोन पे एक लिस्ट बना दिया है. आई विल इंसर्ट अ स्क्रीनशॉट ओवर हियर. बेसिकली मुझे फेशियल रेजर थोड़ा सा टचअप करना है अपना, दैट इज डेफिनेटली नीडेड. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का मैंने एक लिस्ट डाल दिया है कि मुझे क्या क्या डालना है उस पाउच के अंदर. मेकअप स्किन केयर तो बाकी है ही, दैट इज समथिंग आई फील वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट कि मेरे से वो फटाफट हो जाता है, तो आई कैन डू दैट लेटर. हील्स, अब हील्स मैं इतनी सारी नहीं ले जा रही हूँ. मैं 2 से ज़्यादा हील्स शादी के हिसाब से नहीं ले जाऊंगी, प्योरली बिकॉज ज़्यादा कपड़ों में हील्स दिखती भी नहीं है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू ब्रेक माई हेड ऑन इट. वन ऑफ द थिंग्स आई नीड टू मेक एन एडिट फॉर ओवर हियर इज स्नीकर्स डालने हैं मुझे. तो मैंने यहाँ पे हील्स के बाजू में स्नीकर डाल दिया है बिकॉज कार्निवल के लिए, संगीत के लिए मैं सोच रही हूँ आई डोंट वांट टू डांस बेयर फीट बिकॉज मुझे फिसलना नहीं है, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डांस विद हाई हील्स ईदर. तो यहाँ पे मैंने हील्स के बाजू में प्लस स्नीकर करके लिख दिया है. Medicines, very important. I have for medicines, I have every day for supplements, vitamins, those kind of things which I've started taking since my last medical exam. Lingerie, my pads. My period is going to come on the carnival day. Literally my period is going to come on the day that we are dancing and performing, so God bless me. Me, Mansi and Mridul, all 3 of us are due to get our period on that exact same day. Airport looks bottoms ये है यहाँ के. Steam Mine मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूल सकती हूँ. Airpods, hair tools, वहाँ पे मैं जानती हूँ कि hair artists है that we can use, but फिर भी मैं कम से कम एक टोंग तो डाल ही दूंगी या एक स्ट्रेटनर तो डाल ही दूंगी. I'll figure that later. My YouTube cap, the new one that I actually got yesterday, वो वाला vlog आपने अब तक नहीं देखा होगा because वो बाद में जाएगा. And blow dry. So today before I go to my parents' house, I'll stop on the way, get a hair wash and a blow dry at a salon. That is a must do. And my bracelet, new bracelet, apart from my rings, I don't plan on wearing any fine jewelry to the destination wedding. ये भी मैं मम्मी के घर पे निकाल के मम्मी को दे दूंगी. I am feeling a little bit better, like a lot better to be honest. Like now that I have everything written and organized, I'm good. I'm going to put all of this aside. I'll deal with this once I'm back from Rishikesh, and I'm just going to go with the flow on this day from here. Okay, so for my facial hair, I actually started out with my upper lip. I had very small hair on my upper lip, so not much to do over here. I went ahead and used the oil around my brows as well. Mind you, I have product in my brows, which I've realized is a great way to figure out what actually needs to be shaved off, because this way you can see exactly how your brow is done and what's kind of like poking out, stepping out, looking odd. When I do my brows without any product in there, it's a little bit more guesswork, whereas this way, it's a lot easier. I also went ahead and used the same oil and razor on my knuckles as well. Somehow I keep bruising my knuckles and my fingers when I'm trying to shave them in the shower, so I've stopped doing that completely, and I just use the same facial razor on my knuckle region as well. This was a nice quick 10 to 12 minute step, and I'm done. Let's ignore my hair, please. It's an absolute mess, but I am headed for that hair wash and blow dry. I've shown you what I'm basically doing for my brows and upper lip. I don't really need to do anything with my facial hair today because I just did a few days ago. In fact, I posted my facial hair removal self-care Sunday skin reset episode on shorts as well, literally this morning in present tense. In case you missed that, I'll leave a link into it down below. Go check that out. I want to talk about body care really quickly because there are 2 products I'm really truly loving at the moment, and dono thode se wet hai because I use them in the morning. One is this one over here. It is the L'Occitane shower oil. This comes with almond oil in it, and it's basically like an oil, but the minute it comes in contact with water, it becomes like foamy and like a body wash on your body, and it is so good. It is a pricey item, but I think that it is so amazing. I don't know if there are any dupes for this in the market. At the moment, I'm like, what if I'm missing something? If you know dupe for this, please comment down below and let me know. Fantastic for dry skin. Literally pulling it out of my napkin because it is a little bit wet from me using it in the morning and I haven't wiped down my bathroom shelf. is this Dove body scrub. This is the variant that is crushed almond and mango butter. It says moderate over here in the level of exfoliation, I think, but I have to tell you, it is absolutely amazing. I am a dry skin body type, dry skin type all over, head to toe pretty much, and I think that this is so fantastic. Actually, Jerry uses this one as well, and he's an oily body type, oily skin type, and it works really well for him too. So those are the two body care recommendations for you. I will leave links for you down below. So as it turns out, it seems I have some dandruff residue. So instead of opting for a regular shampoo and conditioner, they suggested I try this scrub, which is great for deep cleaning your scalp. I had a really nice head massage with the shampoo and conditioner over here. And then I didn't have enough time, so I couldn't get a full blow dry, but I got a really nice blast dry. I realized there is going to be hairstyling at the wedding anyway, and I was short on time. So I optimized it by just getting a simple paddle dry instead.
Thank you so much.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you liked it, you know what to do. I am always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to all of your comments. But go ahead and also hit that like button so I know you're enjoying my style of vlogging. It is a little bit chaotic. It is wholesome. It's very real. It's very raw, and it's very like unedited-ish, because I want you guys to feel like you're actually living these moments with me, like we're perpetually on FaceTime. I love you so much. I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Lots of fun stuff coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon before you go away.